In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on eBay in multiple quantities. This is a handy feature when you have several identical items to sell and you'd like to manage your inventory efficiently. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. This is where our journey begins. Once you're on eBay's homepage, look towards the top right part of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Sell. Give that a click. This will take you to a section specifically designed to help you list items on eBay. Now that we're in the selling section, keep an eye out for a prominent button that says List an Item. Click on that and you're on your way to starting your new listing. The next step is to describe the item you want to sell. In the search bar provided, type in a short and clear phrase that best describes your item. Once you've done that, click on the little magnifying glass or search icon that's right there. This will pull up potential matches based on what you've typed. After the search results appear, you might not find an exact match for your item. No worries. Simply click on Continue Without Match. This option allows you to proceed without selecting a suggested product. Now, you'll need to select the condition of the item you're selling. Since we're focused on listing new items, click on the New option. This clarifies for buyers that your item hasn't been previously used. Once you've set the condition, proceed by clicking on Continue to Listing. Now you're in the detailed listing section. You'll notice several fields to fill out, and among those is an additional section. This section might be collapsed initially, so look for an option that says Show More and click on it. This is crucial when listing multiple quantities because it's where you'll input those details. In the additional section, you'll see an area to type in the unit quantity. This is where you'll specify how many of the item you have available for sale. Make sure to enter a number that accurately represents your available stock. After setting the quantity, the next bit is to choose the unit type. This is another important field, especially if, for example, you're selling items in batches or packs. Choose the appropriate unit type that matches how you're selling the product. Finally, to solidify these selections, there's a checkbox or option labeled Unit. Click on it to ensure everything is set correctly for your listing to account for multiple quantities. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully listed your items on eBay in multiple quantities. This method ensures better inventory management and provides a seamless shopping experience for your buyers. Happy selling!